So hey everyone, my name is Homer and I've been freelancing, working from home for like 7 years now. And lately, napakaraming nagtatanong sa akin kung paano nga ba maging isang successful freelancer. Pero bago ang lahat, of course, sino nga ba ako at qualified nga ba ako mag-discuss about success? Ah, kasi iba-iba yan guys eh. Meron mga tao dyan na they do work while traveling. Marami akong kilalang ganun. Meron mga iba na nagbi-build ng business or businesses nila while working. Meron din iba na they prefer to work from home just to be with their family every day, live day by day, and there's nothing wrong with that. It actually depends on the person's goals, but for us to say that the one is better than the other because they have these types of things or they can do these things, it's actually wrong. So success really depends on every person. But kung mapapansin nyo guys, one of the perks of freelancing is pwede ka mag-multitask. Pwede ka gumawa ng ibang bagay while working, unlike sa conventional office work na sa work mo lang ikaw nakakoncentrate. So yeah, that's the first step of being a successful freelancer is yes, you can multitask. And second step is to look for a job that fits your skill set. Guys, maraming available work online. Hindi lang VA, hindi lang magiging call center agent. Meron tayong web developer, pwede ka mag-IT, jewelry designer, programmer, paralegal, tagagawa ng design ng bahay kung gusto mo, if you're an engineer or an architect. You name it. There's a lot of jobs online. And then, you should find a job that makes you happy. Pag ginawa mo kasi yun, you'll do good in your job, no pressure kasi gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. And when you're doing good, money will follow. Third step is finding a good client. Guys, don't be afraid kung bago pa lang or starting pa lang yung company nyo. Marami kasi yung nagsasabi na natatakot actually na sinasabi nila bago pa lang yung company, baka hindi stable eh. Guys, based on my experience, yung mga bigger companies that I've worked with, mas mababa sila magpasakis sa mga bago. Kaya huwag kayong matatakot. Huwag kayong maghanap ng jackpot na trabaho, guys. Dapat yung trabaho nyo ang makaka-jackpot sa inyo. Kaya kung naririnig nyo yung asawa ko nito, she's working from home also. She's also a freelancer, working with me. Dito lang kami sa bahay. We've been doing this for 7 years. So yeah. The last one and the most important part is you should learn the language, of course. Paano yun? Kung marami ka ng skills, hindi ka na marunong pag-communicate, di ba? Ang hirap nun. Hindi mo ma-explain kung ano kaya mong gawin. Pero parang mali yata yung order na sinabi ko, no? Ayusin ko lang. First step, I think, is to learn the language because karamihan ng jobs online is foreign yung boss eh. So, nanggagaling sila sa ibang bansa, so it's a must. Yes. Number 2 is finding a job that fits your skill set. Browse mo yung jobs kung saan ka magaling. If you're an engineer, lawyer, accountant, call center agent, all are welcome. Number 3 is finding a good client. So, huwag kayong matakot kung startup pa lang yung company. Malay mo, ikaw na lang hinihintay nila para mag-boom yung business nila. Number 4 is to multitask. Pwede kang mag-multiple clients, business while working, travel while working, whatever your goal is, go for it. And then, number 5, this is only for me guys be competitive. But not in a toxic way, of course. Hindi kasama yung pagsusumbong sa katrabaho dun. Ang ibig ko sabihin nun is always aim to be the best person in the field. So always remember that winners competes and losers don't. Yun lang guys, sana may natutunan kayo and thank you sa mga nanood. God bless.
Bye-bye.